Meaning of diet.
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 Diet. Diet refers to the types of food and drink that a person consumes on a regular basis. It can also describe a specific plan or program designed to achieve a particular health or physical goal, such as weight loss or muscle gain. The results of following a healthy, balanced diet can include improved overall health, increased energy, better mood, and reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. However, restrictive or extreme diets can lead to negative consequences such as malnutrition, disordered eating habits, and potentially harmful physical and mental health effects.